Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this video, we will learn how to work with AND or XOR functions. So let's get started. First, we have AND function. The AND function returns true or false based on two or more conditions. The AND function is often used together with if function, and the syntax for that is equals to AND of logical 1, comma logical 2 and more. Here logical 1 and logical 2 and more refers to conditions. When I talk about conditions, it checks things like if a number is greater than another number, if a number is less than another number, or if a number or text is equal to something. Let's consider this simple data in which we have name column which contains item name, type column which indicates whether the item is fruit or vegetable, then count column contains count of respective item, price column. And now let's add one more column, that is fruit type and price less than 300. In this column we will calculate the result using AND function based on the condition, that is fruit type and price less than 300. Type is equals to AND of B2 is equals to fruit. Use double quotes if the value is in text form, then comma D2 is less than 300. Here we are writing the equation where it checks B2 is equal to fruit and D2 is less than 300, and now enter. It evaluates the data, checks whether it satisfies the condition or not. If it does, then it returns true or else false. Here both conditions should be satisfied because it is AND function. Now fill same equation downwards using fill function. It displays the result. Next we have OR function. OR function returns true or false based on two or more conditions, and it is often used together with if function. And the syntax for that is equals to OR of logical 1, comma logical 2 and more. Again logical refers to condition. Now for this let's keep same condition and replace this AND by OR. Here if any one of the conditions satisfies, then it returns true or else false. Just replace AND by OR and keep the remaining equation as it is, and then enter. It displays true. Now drag this down, we get result for all columns, but look at this row here, type fruit but the price is greater than 300, but still it displays true because it satisfies at least one condition. Then we have XOR function. This function returns true or false based on two or more conditions, and again this function is also used with if function. And the syntax for this is equals to XOR of logical 1, comma logical 2 and more. Again logical refers to condition here. For two condition you can think of the XOR function as either this or that, but not both. For example, similar to OR, replace OR by XOR and keep the remaining equation as it is and enter. It displays the result. Drag this down to get result for each row. And if you are using these functions with if conditions, then the syntax is equals to if of logical test, comma value if true, comma value if false. Here logical test refers to AND or XOR functions. It depends which function you are using, and the return value is yes or no. For example, for this I am going to use AND function to demonstrate the example. Type is equals to if of AND of B2 is equals to fruit, comma D2 is less than 300, yes, comma no, and enter. It displays yes if it satisfies the condition or else no. Drag this down to get the same results. So this was all about today. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel Edify and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.